Mrs Waterworth here. I just thought I would share this amazing science experiment that I have just come across. We are going to make some lava lamps. So what we need for this experiment is some vegetable oil, some vinegar, some food colouring. We've picked orange, but you can choose any colour you like. A jar, or if you don't have a jar at home, a tall glass will be fine. A spoon and a small cup. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add 3 spoons of bicarbonate of soda to our jar. So Joshua, do you want to do that first? Yes. Yep, that's the bicarbonate of soda. So we're going to put 3 spoons in there like that. 1.
Right, just need to get enough.
2. 3. That's it. Next, we need to fill 2/3 of our jar with some oil. So, Joshua, get the oil.
Oil?
Yep. And we're going to pour it till it gets to about there.
Okay. Tell me when it... Oh, yeah.
You done it?
Get it. No?
Okay, you pour and I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
So, duck, that's it. Keep going. Keep going.
It's running out.
Stop.
There.
Okay. It's all right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some vinegar in a small cup. So, Emilia, do you want to do that? Don't touch the jar. Don't touch the jar.
That's heavy.
I can't open it.
No, it's open. Just tip it in the cup.
Okay.
In this cup. In this purple cup. So, pour some in. Squeeze it and it might come out a little bit quicker. That's it.
It's like pee. Looks like pee.
No, don't say that. Keep going. Okay. Next thing we need to do is add some food colouring. So, tip some food colouring in. That's it.
And then I put it in.
Right. What we need to do next is pour it very, very slowly into the jar. So, let me just try and do it first. Are we watching?
Yeah.
So, we're going to pour it in and we're going to see what happens.
Oh, it's turning orange.
Let's see if it does anything. Can you see, look?
Oh my god.
I didn't get to do it.
Keep watching. And the science behind this experiment is once the vinegar touches the bottom of the jar, it hits the bicarbonate of soda. And this is called a chemical reaction. And what happens is it releases something called bubbling carbon dioxide. And that is the bubbles coming up like that. So we have made our very own lava lamp.
Can I do it?
Pour that last bit in then, is there a bit more?
Okay.
Is that it?
That's it. Let's have a little watch. Wow, that is amazing.
That is a very cool lava lamp.
We've made our very own lava lamp. Have a try, guys.
Look, at the top it looks like there's like sand and rocks. Looks like there's rocks in it.